Hello everyone, I welcome you all. This is Lata Awad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Governor, Nasik. In last lecture, we discussed about the Pinnacle reaction and acetylene reaction. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the Gomber reaction of free radical. The Gomber reaction is also called as Gomber-Beckmann reaction. The reaction is discovered by the American scientist Gomber. The acidic solution of diazonium salt is made alkaline. Aryl portion of diazonium salt coupled with another aromatic ring and formation of biaryl product take place known as Gomber reaction. It is an intermolecular reaction. So look at this reaction. This diazonium salt in presence of base like NaOH and other aromatic compound, it gives biaryl compounds like that. Mechanism of this reaction is like that. In first step, formation of diazonium salt. The formation of diazonium salt is take place by using amine in presence of NaNO2 and concentrated HCl. It gives diazonium salt. Mechanism of this NaNO2 plus concentrated HCl, it gives HNO2 and two molecules of HNO2 reacts with each other and it gives dinitrogen trioxide. This dinitrogen trioxide which one reacts with amine lone pair of nitrogen is attacked on this nitrogen and this double bond open on oxygen and here we get hydrogen. Nitrogen carries positive charge, nitrogen bond, nitrogen, here oxygen negative, here oxygen bond, nitrogen double bond. In next step, the negative charge delocalize, here loss of NO2 and we get here nitrogen, hydrogen, here nitrogen double bond, oxygen, nitrogen carries positive charge. In next step, this NO2 obstruct this proton, loss of HNO2 that is nitrous acid take place and we get N bond N double bond O. Here tautomerization take place and we get that is this hydrogen shifted and we get nitrogen double bond OH. In next step, protonation take place. Lone pair of oxygen obstruct this proton and we get here benzene ring, nitrogen double bond, nitrogen bond, OH2, oxygen positive. In next step, lone pair of nitrogen acts as a driving force and loss of water molecule take place, and we get nitrogen triple bond, nitrogen, here nitrogen carries positive charge. This is our diazonium salt. So in next step, this diazonium salt is reacts with base. So here Na positive, OH negative. Attack on this OH negative, attack on this nitrogen. This bond open on this nitrogen, and we get here benzene ring bond, nitrogen double bond, nitrogen bond, OH. In next step, or in presence of light, here this bond get cleave, here formation of new radical, here loss of N2 and OH radical formation take place. That is, we get OH radical plus N2 gas plus phenyl radical. In next step, the phenyl radical is reacts with another or given molecule like that. These one open on this carbon, so we get here benzene, here OR, here double bond here, or radical. In next step, OH radical subtract this hydrogen radical, and we get like that. And these radical combine together and rearomatization take place, and we get our desired product with loss of water molecule. Now we will take another example. Here para-bromoaniline plus benzene in presence of first one is NaNO2 concentrated HCl and base. Here we get para-bromo biphenyl compound. Now moving towards mechanism. This para-bromoaniline is reacts with this NaNO2 and concentrated HCl and to form diazonium salt. So in first step, NaNO2 plus HCl, it gives HNO2. The two molecules of HNO2 reacts with each other like that. Lone pair of oxygen abstract this hydrogen, here this bond open on oxygen, and we get oxygen double bond, nitrogen bond, OH2 positive plus oxygen double bond, nitrogen bond, oxygen negative. In next step, this negative charge delocalize and these bond attack on this nitrogen and loss of water molecule take place, and we get oxygen double bond, nitrogen bond, oxygen bond, nitrogen double bond, oxygen, that is dinitrogen trioxide. This Dinitrogen trioxide is reacts with given parabromoaniline, like that the lone pair of nitrogen is attacked on this nitrogen and this bond open on oxygen, and here we get here benzene ring bond nitrogen bond hydrogen, here nitrogen bond oxygen carries negative charge, oxygen bond nitrogen double bond oxygen. In next step, this negative charge delocalize, loss of NO2 take place, and we get here nitrogen carries positive charge, and we get here Br nitrogen bond nitrogen double bond oxygen, here hydrogen nitrogen carries positive charge. In next step, this oxygen double bond nitrogen bond oxygen carries negative charge. This negative charge obstructs this proton, and here we get loss of HNO2 and benzene, here Br bond nitrogen bond hydrogen bond nitrogen double bond oxygen. In next step, tautomerization take place, and we get here this hydrogen shifted on oxygen atom, here nitrogen double bond nitrogen bond oxygen bond hydrogen. In next step, or in presence of acid, the oxygen lone pair of oxygen obstruct this proton, that is protonation take place, and we get here nitrogen double bond nitrogen bond OH2 oxygen positive. In next step, the lone pair of nitrogen act as a driving force and loss of water molecule take place, and we get here nitrogen double bond triple bond nitrogen carries positive charge, that is diazonium salt. In next step, in presence of base like NaOH, here OH negative attack on this nitrogen and this bond open on nitrogen, and here we get here Br bond nitrogen double bond nitrogen bond OH. In next step, these bond get cleaved, here loss of N2 gas OH radical, and we get bromophenyl radical. In next step, we have a benzene, that is the another given aromatic compound. So these radical combine, and here we get here Br that is coupling take place. In next step, the OH radical is obstruct this hydrogen radical, and this radical form double bond, and we get parabromo diphenyl compound with a loss of water molecule.
If you like this video, then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.